You might be asking why participate in Testnet, and more importantly, why the Sapien Testnet? Well, because we get to receive free crypto airdrops, and to be honest, crypto airdrops have translated into good sums of money in recent months. Sapien has raised $15.5 million in investment, and I'm here to show you how we can get our own share of that money by participating in the ongoing testnet. Now, before you ask me if it will be worth it, here is another crypto project that raised similar sum in investment and how the airdrop performed. Kaito received $10 million worth of investment and gave people between $100 and $1,000 worth of airdrop depending on their testnet activities. Before we go on, my name is Jesse and welcome to the channel. Nothing in this video is financial advice. Everything is for education and entertainment. Sapien claims to be building the first decentralized data foundry. In simple terms, they are building a permissionless protocol where enterprise, AI models, or agents can source for human expertise. Humans can also contribute their knowledge towards advancing artificial intelligence for global benefits. For early contributors and testnet participants, points earned during the campaign will be converted to the project tokens after protocol launch. Now, let me show you how to earn those points right from your phone.
To farm the Sapien point, all you need is a MetaMask wallet. So in case you don't have that installed on your mobile app, just go to the Google Play Store and search for MetaMask. Install it and create a wallet. Now make sure that when you are creating a wallet, make sure you write down the seed phrase that will be shown to you. Write it down on a piece of paper and save it somewhere safe. Now I'll leave the link to sign up for Sapien Testnet in the video description, so just go ahead and copy it. Now after copying it, come back to open your MetaMask wallet. Right after opening your MetaMask wallet, come to the browser tab. Now at the top, you click the top and then you paste the address you copied in the video description. Just paste the address there and hit go. Now what you do next is to sign up on the platform. Just go ahead and sign up with your MetaMask wallet. After signing up, come back to the home page and click the menu button. Now what you do is you log in with wallet. You log in with your wallet, your MetaMask wallet. Now as you can see, we are logged in now. So what you do next is you scroll down to the easiest task on the task list, which is the vehicle positioning task. As you can see, you can earn 10 points for completing each task that will be shown to you. So just go ahead and click on the vehicle positioning task. Now in completing this task, all you do is you look at the picture they will present to you and decide if it is the interior or close-up of a car, or it is the back of a car, or it is the side of a car, or front of a car, or the front angle of a car. Now from the image they have shown us here, it is the interior or close-up of a car. So you just go ahead and select that and then you hit submit. Now a verification box will pop up, and then all you do is verify. You click on it to verify, and then it will go ahead and submit, and the points will be given to you. Now that tagging has been completed and the points has been added to my points list. If you can see here, it was 711 before, but now it is 721. Now this point is what will be converted to the Sapien token after the protocol launches in the near future. This is what you need to be doing to accrue the Sapien points. It's easy, it's simple. I mean, it can take you just 5 minutes to do this every day. Now you can also come back to the home page and explore other tasks that are available on the dashboard. You can see there's a textography task here, which will be earning you 2 cents, I think. Yes, $0.02 is what you'll be earning for each of the tasks you complete. There's also quick English scripts here for you to complete as well. So just go ahead and explore the tasks that are available to you. One other thing you can do is come to the the points dashboard and copy your referral code and share with friends. You can just scroll down and copy your referral code and share with your friends as well.
Sapien is just one of the airdrop opportunities I have covered on this channel, so go ahead and subscribe to get juicier opportunities in the coming days. My name is Jesse, and I'll see you in the next video.